Hey, good morning everybody. So what do you do when it's 100+ degrees outside? You go indoors where it's a lot cooler. So I'm at Seef Mall. It's one of the mini malls here in Bahrain. And this is where you come to spend all of your money. Nah, I'm joking. They have really nice things that you can buy. I don't even want to know how much it is. I'm sure it's very expensive, but the jewelry is very elegant in design. Lots of different clothing stores, of course, with any mall. A lot of yellow gold. They say it's a higher, more pure, maybe. I don't know. But I'm on the second level right now. But it's a nice mall, very clean. A lot of department stores that are open, some that are closed. A lot of Western products, stuff that we would all be used to. I would say the prices are good, but I don't think so. I think the prices are really expensive, very expensive. It's just like in any other country, you're gonna pay a lot. There's a sweet store, nothing but sweets. But it's a great place to go when it's hot outside. This is looks like the food court. There's a cinema over there. A lot of Western things. I see DQ, Pizza Hut, Baskin Robbins, McDonald's, of course. We know how much I love McDonald's, especially their French fries. But I mean, even if you just wanted to get out for the day and go somewhere indoors and walk around and check things out, then a lot of the malls provide that opportunity to do so. There's a bookstore. I think they might have English. The only tough part is some of the incense that they burn. You can see down there, the perfumes and the incense are very strong. So if you're sensitive to certain smells, then you're gonna have a problem with that stuff, and it's gonna be very irritating. I mean, but to a lot of people, they find it good, so it doesn't bother them. For me, it bothers me, but that's just me. So this is the entrance to the mall. And as you can see, it is blazing outside. It's very warm. See, there's stores that are not open. It's peaceful. We've got skylighting, which is nice. And I'm sure it helps their lighting, hurts their heating or conditioning. another sweet store. I should go in there and ask for samples and see if I can sample some of the sweets. Electronics. The only downside with electronics, depending on where you're from, if it's 220 and you operate on 110 and you have a 110 product and you plug it into a 220, it's gonna fry it. It's gonna destroy it, so it won't work after that. So you just have to be careful with stuff like that. Yeah, here's the entrance. I don't know how old the mall is, but they keep it tidy. People love their watches. I mean, watches are nice. If I ever win the lottery, I'll get me a nice watch. Gaming store. There's like a little miniature boat over there. And then all the different restaurants and places to eat. What is this called? Magic Island. Papa John's. Looks like you have to stop here and buy tokens if you're going to come into this area to play the games. Like a kids salon, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if it's too hot to be outside, you can come here, be in here, bring the family for the day. It's like a Middle Eastern Dave and Buster's almost, which is pretty cool. Let's go see what the movie theater has, yeah? Alright, I thought I'd finish up the video with a little walking tour downstairs. I stopped in McDonald's and got some fries. So they have a Bath and Body Works, so a lot of the stores you'd see, again, beautiful jewelry. Very expensive. I don't know what 180,000 SAR. What's SAR?
We have discount.
180,000 SAR? How much is that?
The full set?
I was just curious what SAR means.
Because one system in Bahrain and Saudi.
Yeah. Okay, so the jewelry that I was looking at is only 9,000 BD, which is the equivalent of like 20,000 US dollars or whatever. It's expensive, so unless I can live in it or drive in it, I'm probably not gonna spend that kind of money on jewelry. My wife would kill me. I mean, honestly, what can I do with it? It looks nice, but I can buy costume jewelry that'll look just as nice and would never know the difference. So it looks like this mall is like a ton of makeups, colognes, perfumes, stuff like that, which is just playing havoc on my system, but it is what it is. Other than McDonald's and the movie theater, I would give this mall and the AC, I'll give it a 10. It's a nice mall. At least the stores are open. There's some where most of the stores were all closed. So anyways, I'll end it. Let you guys have a nice day. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Seef Mall, and you guys have a nice day. Stay hydrated. This is life as I view it. Have a nice day. So outside, this is what it looks like. It's in a pretty big area in downtown Manama. There's lots of other places to live and big buildings and stuff like that, but whew, Jesus, is it hot. But anyways, you know, they've got other things to do around here, you know, places to live. It's a short drive. Yeah, Seef Mall. Come on in, check it out, because it's way too hot to be outside.